Okay. Leet code number 3, longest substring without repeating characters. Given a string S, find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. Interesting. So we're gonna need a temporary array to find the longest. And we'll have the longest. And we're gonna loop through this. Okay. So we're gonna add SLI. And then we'll have a longest, which is gonna be equal to math, not math, the longest, and temp dot length. Okay. And we're gonna check the current character equal position. Yeah. So if we find the position, if this position exists, which I could do greater than or equal to 0 or minus 1. I mean less than 0 or minus 1. So this means it exists. Does not equal to minus 1. So that means the current index already exists. So we want to go to that first index. So we actually want to remove everything including the first duplicated, since we already have the longest for the current one. So we'll splice out from the start up to the position, which is non-inclusive. So we want to remove the duplicated one, and then we'll add it to the remaining temp, and we'll keep doing that, and no matter what, we'll get the longest. Looks good. And then we can turn the longest here. Let's test it real quick. I say test it even though this test seems to be runs nearly as long as the submit. And the submit, awesome. And then of course we're gonna have to find a different solution for Python, since index itself will give us an error which won't help us. So in Python, the solution I found, we use a set. Oh yeah, this is the one I was testing, but it doesn't work. Yeah. Well, a set is good, but we also need to do this part in Python at the left side. So I think I already tried this, but for some reason it doesn't work for this 1 2 1 2, where 1 and 0 and 2 repeat, and it's 4. Alright. Okay, so when we find a duplicate, we want to move this left one. Okay. Maybe we just keep check at the left side. If we keep track at the left side. Okay, if we're keeping track at the left side, we want to, what do we want to do? We want to remove S of L. So we'll remove everything before that. And I think a while loop is best for this. So while S of I in M. So if it's in the set M, we'll remove everything to the left. And at that time, that'll be, you know what, increment L. So this will be the same as the JavaScript one. Which means we can just add the characters to M, and then the result is equal to, and in Python, the max of results. We'll have the result in I think we can do length here. Aha, that does work. Awesome. So in Python I had to do this, where if there's a duplicate, you remove the left side till that duplicate's no longer there, and then you keep adding. And I achieved this same effect in Python with this, checking if it exists and then just removing that front portion up until. So if it was like EFF, it'd be like I'd move EF for the second F. Okay, awesome.